In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Brevo email template. By the end, you'll have your brand logo placed neatly in a Brevo email so you can keep your campaigns on brand and consistent. First, open the Brevo login page and sign in. I'm using the sign in with Google option, then selecting my Google account to continue. Once you're in, head to the marketing section. From here, start a new campaign by choosing Create Campaign, then pick Email as the campaign type. Give your campaign a clear, recognizable name so you and your team can easily find it later and confirm to create it. Next, you'll see the campaign setup flow. Add recipients so the campaign has at least one list or segment attached, then save. Move on to the subject line section. Add your subject and save again. With those basics set, choose Start Designing to open the email editor. On the template page, pick Ready to Use to browse Brevo's templates. Select one that fits your layout, then click Use Template to open it in the drag and drop editor. Now for the logo. In the content panel, choose the image block. Drag and drop it right where you want your logo to appear, typically the top of the email for a clean branded header. With the block selected, choose Select an image to open your media library. Pick your logo from the library, then click Insert to place it in the email. A few quick tips while you're here. For best results, use a high-quality PNG with a transparent background. Aim for a reasonable display width. Around 120 to 250 pixels often looks great on desktop and mobile, while keeping the file size lean for faster loading. If your template has tight spacing, align the logo and adjust padding in the block settings to keep everything visually balanced. Consistent logo size across campaigns makes your emails feel polished and trustworthy. Once your logo is in place and you're happy with the layout, choose Save and Quit to return to the campaign overview. Finally, click Schedule to move on to timing your send. You're now set up with a branded email that features your logo exactly where it should be. That's it, your logo is added to a Brevo email template, your campaign is configured, and you're ready for the next steps. If you repeat this flow with your preferred template, you can build a reliable, reusable pattern for future sends and keep your brand front and center every time.